Hello students, welcome back to Maths class. Today we will learn about chapter 4, Subtraction. So subtraction is taking things or objects away. We subtract it, that is called as subtraction. So here I will teach you how to do subtraction with regrouping. So let me repeat again. Regrouping means rearranging the numbers of group again. So here subtraction without regrouping is you have learned. So I will not repeat again, but I will teach you how to subtract with regrouping stepwise. So here subtract the ones. Here ones, tens, 100. Always you have to arrange in column wise according to the place value. And like the addition, you will start from the right hand side, which is from the ones place. And in addition, I mentioned that you can add both ways, downward or upward. But in subtraction, we can only subtract down. We won't be able to subtract upward. So here, 5 minus 7. See, if you try to subtract 5 minus 7, it is impossible. Why? Because the number 5 or the number at the top is less than the number at the bottom. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to regroup the numbers. You have to regroup the numbers by which you will borrow one from tens place. You will take one from tens place, which makes it 15 ones. So 15 minus 7, you will get the answer 8. So here in tens place, 1 has been given to the next number. So you have only 1 here. So now let's subtract the second step. The first step has been done. I'm not repeating again. So here in tens place, you have only 1 which you have given to the next number. So here you take 1 again from the hundreds place. You borrow 1 from the hundreds place, which makes it 11. So 11 minus 6 will be 5. Now you will subtract the hundreds. The ones, tens had been done, so you will subtract the hundreds. So here 8, it is 8 minus 3, but 1 has been given to tens place. So you will subtract 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3, you have 4. So the number at the bottom here, the column at the bottom here is put up all together at once without the steps. And you will be doing just like this without this one. This is the steps. I do it according to your understanding to make it more easier for you. So here 5, impossible. Took 1 from the tens place. You regrouped it as 15 ones. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Now the next one, you have only 1 because 1 has been given to ones. So again, you take 1 from hundreds, which makes it 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5. Now you have 7 because 1 has been given to the next number. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So now we will find the difference. Here difference means minus. The terms we are using in difference will be in subtraction, difference, or less than. Less than will always be subtract or minus. So in this question, you will get both regrouping and without regrouping. Without regrouping will be just simple subtraction without any regrouping or borrowing. The first question here is 753 minus 352. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, tens, 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 3 will be 4. Now next question we have 540 minus 145. So here again see in ones place it is 0, 5. will you be able to minus 5 from 0? No. In that case, we need a regrouping here. We have to regroup it again. That is, you will take ones from the tens place, which makes it 10 ones. Now you can subtract since the number at the top is greater. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. See, now you have only 3. So you will borrow 1 from the hundreds place, which makes it 13. And 13 minus 4 will be 9. Now, in the hundreds place, 5, it won't be 5 anymore. Why? Because 1 has been given to the next number. So it is only 4 here. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. So this is how the subtraction is done. Now we will do some solutions. Again, solve the following. Here A, 890 minus 64. See here, the number 890 is 3 digits, 64 is only 2 digits. So let me repeat again. The greater number or the bigger digit will always be at the top, and the smaller number will be at the bottom. So here we will first arrange 890 at the top and the lesser number at the bottom. Now we can subtract. 0 minus 4 is impossible. Now you know that. So we will take ones from the tens place. So 1, you take it, which makes it 10 ones. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Now in tens place, 1 has been given to ones, right? So you have only 8. So 8 minus 6 will be 2. And 8 minus nothing means 0. So 8 minus 0 will remain 8. Now you have 315 minus 294. Let me repeat again. The bigger number will be at the top. The lesser number will be at the bottom. So this is how we arrange in a column. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. Now 1 minus 9, it is impossible, which we need to regroup it by taking ones from the hundreds place, which makes it 11 tens. So 11 minus 9, you get the answer 2. Now 3 becomes 2 because 1 has been given to tens. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Now let's do some word problems. Let's read the question. 1. A shopkeeper had 35 bananas in the morning, and only 6 bananas were left at the end of the day. How many did he sell? So in the morning, the shopkeeper had 35 bananas, and at the end of the day, after the end of the day, that is, at the evening, you have only 6 bananas. So the question here is asking us, how many did he sell? How do we find this one? How many did we sell? Because here the morning he have 35. In the end of the day, at the end of the day, he have only 6. So we will find this out, how many he sold, by subtracting. So here the information given in the question will be number of bananas in the morning. You have 35 bananas. Number of bananas at the end of the day is 6. Now let's arrange in a column. That is 35 minus 6. Here you can carry over. You can take 1 from the tens place, which makes it 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9. Now here only 2. So again 2 minus, here it doesn't have anything. Nothing is written here, which means it is 0. So 2 minus 0 will be 2. So he sold 29 bananas. Therefore, the shopkeeper sold 29 bananas. Here, there are 365 students in a school. 144 of the students are girls. How many are boys? So in a school, you can imagine your own school. So in that school, you have 365 students, out of which 144 are girls. Now the number of boys is not given here. We have to find it out how many boys are there. To find it out this one, we will subtract 144 students from total number of students in school. See solution. Total number of students in the school is 365. Number of girls in the school is 144. So now, in order to find how many boys are there, we will subtract. Here, first you subtract from one's place. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 1 is also 2. So the number of boys will be 221. So here, therefore, the number of boys is equal to 221. Wang Bei has 650, but he gave rupees 300 to Meko to buy books. How much money is Wang Bei left with? So here the information given is he has total amount of 650 rupees. He had 650 rupees, out of which he gave 300 to Meko. Now the question is how much money is left with Wang Bei. So in order to find out how much Wang Bei has left with, we will subtract 300 from 650. So here, see, Wang Bei had 650, the information given in the question. So amount of money Wang Bei had is rupees 650. Next, he has given 300 to Meko. So amount of money he gave to Meko will be 300. So 650 minus 300. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the amount left with Wang Bei is 350. Therefore, Wang Bei is left with rupees 350. Now the next question is, Jack has 79 stickers. He got 21 more from his uncle. He gave 16 to a friend. How much does he have now? So see, let's read the question again. Jack has 79 stickers, which means at the first place, he had got 79 stickers. But again, his uncle gave him 21 more. Okay, his uncle 21 more, which means you have to add it up together first. And then from that, he gave 16 to a friend. Okay, so here you have to subtract his 16. See, Jack has 79 stickers. So number of stickers Jack had is 79. Now, got 21 more from his uncle. So number of stickers his uncle gave Jack was 21. So here, 79 plus 21. You have to first add these two numbers. That is 79 plus 21. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 carry over to the tens place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Which makes it 100. So altogether, Jack got 100 now. But from this 100, he gave 16 to a friend. He gave 16 to a friend. So how much did he left now? So in order to find out how much does he have now, from this 100 we will subtract 16. So number of stickers he gave to a friend is 16. So now 100 altogether. Then the sticker he got plus the uncle gave him 21. You got 100. Now 100 minus 16 which he gave to a friend. So here 10 minus 6. Why 10? Because he took one from the next number and it is regrouped as 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now the tens place, 1 has been given to the next number which makes it 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Now the 1 has been given to the next number, right? So there is nothing, no numbers or 0. So we don't need to write anything there. So therefore, Jack has 84 stickers now. Now we will do subtract and check your answers. See, subtract and check your answers. Here, the number at the top is called minuend. The number at the top is called minuend. The number at the bottom or the second is called subtrahend. The answer you got is called the difference. So here, we will first subtract 584 from 321. You got the answer. Then how to check your answer will be your difference plus subtrahend. If you get an answer, the answer you got is equal to minuend, then your answer is correct. So here, minuend minus subtrahend. That is 4 minus 1 is 3. The next number at minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now, pay attention here. So the question asks us to subtract and then check our answers. So here, subtraction has been done. Now let's check our answer, whether it is correct or not. In this case, see, can you see the arrow mark here? The answer, the difference will be at the top now. And then the subtrahend or the second number will be at the same place. Okay, you will arrange in this manner, bottom at the top, second place at the same place, and you will add these two numbers 8 plus. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now compare the numbers here. The number here, adding the difference and the subtrahend, you got the answer minuend here. The answer at the top, 584, 584, which means the answer is correct. So now again, 209 minus 110. So here you subtract 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay, now 0 minus 1, you will regroup the number again. How? By taking 1 from the hundreds place. So, which makes it 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Now you have only 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay, so now again, same as the previous question, the answer or the difference will be at the top. The second number or the subtrahend will remain at the same place, that is in your second. Now you will add it up, add these two numbers. So now 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10, which you will write 0 in tens place, and 1 will be carry over to hundreds place. So 1 plus 1 is 2. You check the answer again. The number at the top in subtract and the answer you got by addition. It is same, 209 and 209, which means the answer is correct. So that's all for today. See you in the next class.